Hey guys, what's up? It's Nicole Faulkner, aka LipstickNick, Morphe's Director of Global Artistry. Today I'm so excited to share with you guys the new additions to our Morphe 2 line. We're gonna move on to our next product, which is the Prep Polish Lip Scrub. So it's super easy to apply, it's no mess, it smells delicious. It's packed with shea butter, jojoba oil, coconut oil, and its literally sole purpose in life is to make your lips smooth, polished, and prepped for any lip product that you wanna put on after it. When you're using this product, I want you guys to think of three things, which is swipe, scrub, and smooth, and those are exactly what this is gonna provide. And anytime you're working with a brand new lip prep product, you're gonna wanna break the initial seal and almost like swipe it over your lips for a little bit just to kind of break through, and then you'll start to feel the little exfoliating grains, which is exactly what's happening right now. Okay, our lips are nice and prepped, so next up we're gonna move into another product, which is a brand new category for us, which is a lip balm. These are the L-Balm Lip Balms. I'm absolutely obsessed with these because it's like a lip conditioner and a lip balm if they made a baby. There's definitely nourishing ingredients like avocado oil and shea butter, which I'm a huge fan of lip conditioners. That's pretty much all I wear like on a day-to-day basis. So these have become my new everyday lip. I thank you guys so much for watching. We can't wait to see all of the beautiful looks you guys create using these new Morphe 2 products. Make sure you guys share them with us on social media using our hashtag Morphe2. See you guys next time.